Hello folks, old bitty guy Jeff Lawless. This is our second part of the Wheels Through Time in Maggie Valley. So we're just gonna get straight to it, turn you around here, and we're gonna start off with the history of hill climbing. Hang tight. And here we go folks. Let's get right into it. Just like before, if you want to read about it a little more, go ahead and hit pause. No way behind it. Let's see, we'll head off this way. Here's some more information on the hill climb. All right, let's see what we got over here. Harley Davidson Motor Mine. Cool.
1975, Harley Davidson. Their bikes get up and race on the ball at the same time. It would take 1928 Indians to get out with the grass does all the trip ride backwards, back up, side saddle down and up the wall, both standing up, and you name it.
Cycle cars in there.
Well, the biggest one is 30 feet in diameter and 14.
All right, we'll get a little closer view of these cycle cars. There's another one sitting up there. There's a little air compressor there. Let's see if we, there's the information on that you can stop and look at. All right, we'll pick back up another section. There's something a little different. Don't know what the story is on that, but it's pretty cool looking. Over sounding pretty good. Yeah. their workshops maybe. All right. Let's see. This is a 1932 Clobes Special. Says it has a supercharger on it. Cool. Here you go. Another cycle car. I remember seeing this cycle car on their TV show. Pretty cool. Alright. Alright, I think that's going to be the end of this video. There will be one more video tomorrow for the end of the tour. So, till then, peace out, God bless, and we love yous.